Hi everybody. Well, I am delighted because my new book is out, Herbal Medic, published as of yesterday. I've been going through this very carefully and I am delighted with it. I'm really pleased with it. I love the way it's organized. I love the way it all came out. It's a totally different book than my self-published one that many of you are familiar with. It is so much more information, so much better organized, so much more new updated information to the stuff that was already there. So on that note, I also wanted to tell you that what I would like to do is give this book away to everybody who signs up for the upcoming Austere Acute online medicine course. So it's online, 12-week course covering acute conditions in an austere setting. But this applies across the board, not just to austere settings, but anywhere that you want practical medicine and practical herbalism. This course is taught by myself and Dr. Steve Pehrson, MD. He is also started as I did, as a former Green Beret or a Special Forces medic in 18 Delta. And then he went the route of MD and he became a family practice doctor. He became board certified in emergency medicine. He's practiced in rural Utah for over 30 years now and a ton of experience and an amazing teacher. Between the two of us, we put this course together, the Austere Acute medicine. We also put together austere trauma. Some of you are familiar with both of these. We have an entire austere program that sort of picks up where the wilderness first responder leaves off. So those of you who are WFR certified or have gone through our WFR especially, you know that, there's a point where it's a 10-day course basically. It's 80 hours of a WFR, plus I add in an extra 20 hours of herbalism so we call it the WHFR. So you get a WFR card, but you also get a WHFR certificate from us personally that says, hey, you also got some herbalism in here, off-grid herbalism or wilderness first responder herbalism. Well, that stops, right? That ends after 80 hours. Guess what? This is the course these austere courses are the ones that pick up at the end of that. You can jump in, even if you don't have a WFR, you can jump in. These are online. It's an online 12-week course. You can jump into it right now and get the online portion, and you will. It's designed so that anybody can jump in at any level. That said, this course, the Austere Acute medicine course, is itself a prerequisite for the hands-on intensives that ensue as part of the overall course itself. Now, those of you who know, we stopped doing hands-on stuff during the COVID year, and we've kept it that way. We're coming back, but it'll be a little while. It's going to be about 1.5 to 2 years before we go back to the hands-on intensives, and we have so much planned for that. It's going to be amazing. The second time around doing these, well, it'll be the third time, but the second time really, coming around and figuring out exactly how we're going to do it is going to be amazing. It's going to be intense. It's going to be very scenario-based. And lots of learning. But you can't do that without these courses first, these online, and passing these online courses first. And that's why we're doing it so far out. I want to give plenty of time to go through some cycles of these online courses. So jump in to the Austere Acute medicine course coming up here, again, in about a month. And this book is a textbook for parts of that. It is a supplement for parts that aren't taught in there. There's extra stuff in here that you're not going to get in the acute course. And there's stuff in the acute course that's not going to be in here, of course. That's kind of the way it works. It's not exactly designed to the book. But this book is based upon the WFR austere concept. That's why I wrote it originally. Started about 10 years ago as a textbook that I wanted to just hand out as like a 3-ring binder. And it grew and grew and grew. And then it got edited and compiled and everything got narrowed down to what it should be. And now it's about 400 pages of really good information that you can use by itself. I'll leave a link down here. If all you want is just a book, you want to order that, that's great. You can get it off Amazon or off of numerous other stores. We'll have it in our own store. herbalfirstaidgear.com. It'll be about a week or two before we have it up, but you can get that separately or sign up for this course and get the book as well for free, obviously, and as part of a supplemental information for you on that course as well. Thank you for watching this far, and I hope to see you in the course coming up in about a month.